Another beautiful day. We're just kind of hanging out in our bedroom because in like less than an hour it's his BEDTIME.
Basking shark.
Basking shark. Can you show them the basking shark? 보여줘. Chomp, chomp. How do you do it? What does a basking shark do?
Open. Open.
And then go
Close.
chomp, chomp.
Close. Open. Close. Open.
Wow.
Wow. That's
It's a basking shark.
Open.
So over Thanksgiving,
Open.
my sister came in town, and then she got him a shark book, and then there's another one. I think the other one's like a fish book or whale book. I think he had a short phase of the dinosaur era, but now he's really into sea animals. Love sharks, love fishes, any type of like ocean creatures. But I would say he loves sharks and whales for sure. Do you like whale or shark?
Whale.
You like whale more? Okay. And also this morning we had this like a rail around Aiden's side of the bed, but we just it broke, and we found it just kind of like not as useful for us and our lifestyle and decisions that we made. So we got rid of it. We saved the half part of it because we thought that we could make something out of it. Right now we could make a little nook. You couldn't find it? You want mommy to go find it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back. Ada, did you poop?
No more poop.
I smell it. I think. Are you telling me the truth?
My own treat
Okay.
Where
Because I don't try to say bedtime in front of him because he just flips out. He's like, no bedtime, no bedtime. He's okay with it, and we've been sleep training a little. So I put him down. We read a few books, and then I tell him, mommy's gonna leave. Are you gonna be able to sleep alone? He's like, yeah. At first, he's like, no. I wait until he says yes. Ow! Ah, my hair. Oh, Anna, what did mommy say about pulling my hair? You don't pull hair, right? You don't pull hair. And then I leave, and I think I tried it one time last week, and he cried. So I came back, and I just waited, and then I put him. And he went to bed pretty quick. We've been trying a couple more times where I'm okay if he cries, and I'll walk in, and I'll come back inside, and I'll put him down. I was okay with that, but we were just trying. I was very just open to different responses, and the way he responded, the way I responded to the situation. I was just I didn't have a specific way. I was just kind of going with the flow. Past few nights, I said I'm going to leave, so he needs to go to bed by himself, and if he's okay with it and he says yes, and I'll leave. And then I watch him through the camera, and sometimes he doesn't sleep right away, right? He just kind of rolls around a little bit, maybe pick up a book or whatnot, and then he would try to come out, and then I would just kind of greet him at the door and ask him oh, what are you doing? I'm not as nice. I'm like, what are you doing? Why are you coming out? So, and then he would go back inside. Sometimes I follow him, and then I'll just kind of talk him in one more time, and then he will fall asleep. It's not immediate, but who does, right? So he takes the time, he rolls around a little bit, fixes his pillow, rearrange it and all that, and eventually he's been going to bed alone. He did that last night. He did that 2 days ago during the nap time. So right now I'm just hanging out in here, reading books with him, because I do want to have that moment, have that time. It's not like, hey, go to your room, go to sleep. I don't want that. So we're just kind of hanging out in here, kind of winding down a little bit, and then I'll probably tell him that it's the time, and then I'll head out. That one? you okay?
Okay, mommy.
Okay, thank you, baby.
Uh-oh, what happened like? What you gotta do? 다 왔다.
Uh-oh, I think is it out of battery? Oh, no, it's good. Yeah? You want to read the fish book?
Yeah?
Okay. Oh, you want to read the fish book? Okay. Alright, let's see. Anna, should we find the lancetfish? Yeah? Do you want to find the oarfish or lancetfish?
Elizabeth.
Lancetfish, you got it.
Elizabeth.
Lancetfish, wow.
Fish.
That's a stonefish.
And rockfish.
Frogfish, uh-huh.
And eyefish.
Yes.
And parrotfish.
Mm-hmm.
Nagizer.
Uh-huh.
Nagizer.
Yes.
Cowfish.
That's a cowfish! That's a backfish. Thank you. 아니 이제 랩 타임 해줘. 자, 알았어. 아니가 할 수 있어? 알았어. 아기 할 수 있어.
I don't know.
아기 할 수 있어?
Toys.
No toy. 아니, it's nap time.
No, this time.
Yes, nap time. 누우세요.
No.
누워.
No, Mama.
엄마 나갈게. 누워. 아니 잘 수 있어? 엄마 약속해. You got to sleep, okay?
Okay, mommy.
I love you. 아니 good night. 이불 덮고자. It's cold, okay? He thinks he fooled me and got rid of me. But oh my gosh, look at him. He already got up. I think Aiden was a bit tired. You guys can see he's knocked out. Sometimes I just kind of wait to see if he's even moving around a little bit. But he's been in this position for, oh no, he's like upside down. Yeah, he's been like this for like a good 5 minutes, so I'm pretty sure he is sleeping. Gosh, I don't think I was recording. I don't know, but I just made myself some coffee. Ah man, that's so annoying. I was just sharing how much I love this brand. Actually, it's called Favorite. And for today's coffee, I used the hot cocoa whipped cream. I surprisingly like it. I was expecting like something really just heavy and sugary, but it's just more of a flavor. I think it's not as sweet, and I love trying their whipping toppings, the whipped cream toppings. It's just always a hit. I love it. So many different flavors. Whoever came up with it, I don't know who started this whipped cream with flavors and the coffee topping. It's just a genius. I feel like that really made me stop going to Starbucks as much. It's not the same, obviously, but it's just, I don't know, it's just so much more fun to try it at home, so much more affordable. Hi, baby. It's so cold in here. Oh my gosh. 아니, 안 추웠어?
엄마.
아니, 추웠어? 안 추웠어?
엄마.
You go play? Okay, let's go play.
Uppy.
Let's go. Uppy? How am I supposed to uppy?
Let's go, 엄마.
Okay, let's go. 왜 엄마는? Okay, bye.
엄마, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Are you trying to close the door? It's so cold in there. We're planning on stopping by McDonald's before we head over to Costco and IKEA because there's this Grinch meal and they give you dill pickle seasoning for your fries. I'm like, what? I gotta try that. And I know Tong would love that. And I think there's kids meal, Happy Meal with Grinch. Aiden didn't watch Grinch just yet. I'm planning on showing him the cartoon version because I tried to show him the live action one and it was just a little creepy. Even for me, it's a little creepy. So I'm going to save that for later. But I'll show him the cartoon one. It's Grinch.
What Grinch?
That's Grinch.
We're gonna watch that together.
Yeah. Grinch steals Christmas.
Lock it.
아니, 애플 주스 여기 있어?
고기?
You got a sock? That's pretty cute.
That is cute.
That's pretty cute. Oh, it's the fry shaker.
Lock it.
Grinch salt.
What's this?
Wow.
Open it.
또 이거 없으면.
Really?
오. 네? 이렇게 먹어, 자꾸 먹어. Very good. Alright, we just finished eating. We're about to head out, but my camera, I was charging it, but I didn't realize how much it didn't charge. So, I don't know. We'll see how much I could vlog for the rest of our outing, but Aiden is very content with his bag of fries. Ate half of the hamburger. So, our car has stopped again. It was a couple of weeks ago where Tong was on the way to pick me up from the restaurant, like with Aiden in the car, and it stopped, which was very dangerous. Because only, the car stopping in the middle of the street is dangerous, but you know, the fact that Aiden was in the car was just kind of really kind of scary. And then we took the car in. We didn't try to compromise anything or try to like save money on anything. We just got it fixed, like completely. Everything that needed to get fixed, we got it fixed. Like, we glad we did that because like I think like a week or two after it started snowing a lot, and you know, like obviously we don't want any, like, I mean, the weather is bad as it is, and you don't want your car to stop in the middle of the snow or like snowstorm, whatever, right? It's not as crazy today, snowing just a little bit, but our car stopped in the middle of a highway. It didn't stop, it just, the engine turned off. So the car was still rolling and we were able to pull to the side, but we're still on the highway. Aiden's in the car. I just turned on some show for him so he doesn't kind of freak out. Aina, you want gogi or pasta?
Pasta.
Yeah! We made it alive out of the middle of the highway. It's like, what time is it right now? Like 7? Yeah. But we made it. Original plan was to eat us at home, but we came here. And 빵. The raspberry juice.
짠.
짠. 아빠도 짠.
짠. 엄마. Oh, finally home. I can't tell you enough how glad we are to be home. It felt like a really long dinner or evening. Aiden's crying because he doesn't want me. So there's really not much that I could do. He doesn't want me. So, yeah, I'm sort of falling asleep right now. I think it was just I think we waited for about an hour for the tow truck to come. We got some dinner at Olive Garden, as you guys saw. I'm so thirsty right now. Everything was so salty there. It's almost 10 o'clock and I am pretty exhausted. I do want to rest. Pretty tired, so. It was very, like, I don't know. I feel like after eating McDonald's, I was just sort of kind of hesitant to even go to IKEA. I was sort of thinking about maybe we should just go home, but I'm like, no, let's just go. Maybe I should, if you just stayed home, we would have avoided all this. But it happened. And the only person that I feel bad for is Aiden, obviously. Because, I mean, he was fine, you know, he was watching his shows and he was thankfully dressed warm enough, warmer than any of us, so I don't, yeah, he's fine. But, I am so tired right now, but I really wanted to end today's vlog more properly because a lot of times I just kind of forget about it and then I just start another like a day of vlog, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted to really wrap up today and just kinda, yeah, just really go through my day and think about just what happened. I know it was dangerous. It was obviously not a situation where I ever want to be in again with a baby in the car, right? But at the same time, I feel like it could have been better. No, it could have been worse. What am I saying? So, still thankful that yeah, we got home safely. We got some groceries and we picked up some gifts from Costco. We got another thing we got it for like our friends, but we picked up one book for Aiden, and we tried we tried our best to not show it to him and then bring it home secretively and making sure Aiden's not like he doesn't get a hold of it. So that's Aiden right there. So yeah, we are off to bed. Well, I am for sure. Nobody else is ready. I'm ready to go to bed.